This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your SIM supports tethering and mobile data is enabled. Once done, make sure battery and signal are sufficient so the hotspot won't drop. Now press Menu, find Settings, and enter Connectivity or Network Settings. This is where most keypad phones hide tethering. You're not configuring yet, just getting to the right screen. If you see a wireless or more options entry, choose that. Make these moves deliberately so you don't skip hidden sub-menu layers. You'll now enable and configure the hotspot itself. First, tap Tethering and Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot and flip the switch to on. Next, edit the SSID so you recognize the network. Pick WPA2 security if offered. This protects your data. Then create a strong password of at least 8 characters. Write it down briefly if the keypad makes typing slow. If your phone allows, set a device limit or choose 4 GHz versus 5 GHz to improve compatibility. These choices control You're almost done. Connect a laptop or tablet next. On that device, select your hotspot SSID and enter the password you set. Once connected, verify internet by loading a web page. If it fails, toggle the hotspot and mobile data off and on and give the phone a quick reboot. Make sure your carrier doesn't block tethering and that APN settings match your provider. Adjusting APN often fixes authentication issues. If many devices can't connect, reduce the device limit or change the hotspot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.